Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall.
Alright everyone, you don't know who this is already. This is a Skilla and this is some sad news. A remains have been found in the bushes of St. Andrew today that is believed to be of the missing 8-year-old child that has been called Shante. Shante that has been missing from the 11th of April when she was last seen leaving for school at around 7 a.m. that morning wearing her school uniform. Intensive search have been done the whole time looking for Shante, and today they bucked up, or should I say they spotted this. Alright, the police are there doing their investigations, including a superintendent, and to do some things to see if it's really her or not, or whose remains it is. You see what I say? And everybody is right there right now on spot, on the scene, doing their thing. Alright, so this is just a quick update on Shante that has been missing. Everything is not, and let me say this to you, everything is not confirmed as yet, you know. So the investigations are in process right now. The last time them said that them find a body that is of Shante, it was not her. Alright, so therefore I'm telling you, my viewers, that it is not confirmed as yet, but the Jamaica Constabulary Force, the detectives, the investigators are doing them investigation, believe that it might be, but everyone is waiting for confirmation. So either way, it is sad news because it's the remain of a child, alright, a body, alright. Anyways, you don't know the thing already. Don't be afraid to let me know what you think, you know, and as always, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and stay up to date on what go on in and around the world, especially of Jamaica and Dancehall Skilla. My name is Skilla and this is Dancehall Skilla ENT. You know, big up on yourself, you see?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Yeah, me know. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.